right now. All right. Hey there again. This is dad and son reacting to videos, but instead of Evan, who you've seen previously, this is my other son, Alex.
Yo.
And since Evan's a little busy right now doing some other stuff, Alex and I have talked, and we have always had kind of a common love for music. And I really have a huge affinity for listening to cover songs. My Spotify playlist is full of them. They listen to it in the car all the time. So I thought it might be cool to try to do some reaction videos for covers on YouTube. So again, say hi.
Hi.
If you guys would do so, I'd appreciate you subscribing. We're going to start putting out a lot more videos, and I think we can have some fun on this channel. So this first one is Steven Seagal's. They are, you got to listen to me because you got to understand what's going on.
Okay.
All right, this is Steven Seagal's. They are a band from Finland. It started in 2012. They play like country, hillbilly, rockabilly kind of stuff. They do a lot of covers. This is one of their more famous ones. And I know you know the song, Thunderstruck by AC/DC. Of course, see, I teach them well. They listen to the music in my car. But this is a whole different take on it, and I think you might enjoy it. Look like you're drinking out of a baby bottle, but that's okay. All right, let's give it a go. This feels like America. Other than the license plates, the license plates that are obviously European, we know it's a Finnish band, and that they are not in the U.S. It reminds me of a barn that you would see anywhere in the southern United States, and the forest, the trees. I mean, we've got trees like that around, but tractors, definitely a southern vibe to it.
Yeah.
Especially riding in on a tractor. Piano accordion, yes. And a foxtail or some kind of rabbit tail hat.
I think that's a raccoon.
Raccoon? I don't think so. Tail would look different. Got a banjo? I think that's a cello or a bass, something over there.
Spoons.
Spoons? I had no idea what that guy's holding. A viola or something. I don't know.
In the middle of a railroad track, looked around, and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced, and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart.
There were no drums beating his heart
The
right there.
thunder of guns
Oh yeah, they should have taken that.
tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies.
They wear a lot of suspenders and overalls and
Again,
coveralls.
more of a southern vibe. Oh, I think they have wind chimes up there if you look.
Is that a wind chime?
Those are
Yeah, it
wind
might
chimes
be a
or
wind chime right
tools,
there.
Maybe. I think that might be a tool holder.
Okay.
Were too kind. You've been thunderstruck.
I've liked it up to this point. Actually, this one section, not my favorite. Just I guess when they're all going or something. The banjo playing earlier, that was awesome.
I usually don't like country music, but I make an exception for this song because of how well they perform and stuff.
But it's like a rockabilly bluegrass version of it. It's not like
It's
country
not the exact
country.
one. Yeah.
Yeah. Back to the show.
You've been thunderstruck, 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 thunderstruck. Say yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck.
You know what I just thought was interesting? The fact that the way that they're doing this video, unlike a lot of other videos, they're taking a really tight shot and they're moving it kind of between the people, panning back and forth. I think it's interesting because they don't normally do that. Normally videos are more of a farther back or more cinematic or whatever.
Yeah.
And I know this is just a cover and everything, but it's kind of cool that they've got this tight shot. They're going back and forth because it's interesting to see how serious these guys look when they're playing. I mean, look at the drummer and then look at the guy on the end with the big cello looking thing. They look very serious.
Yeah.
They're enjoying it. I will say it's probably not my favorite cover of Thunderstruck, but it's definitely unique. I like it.
I want to say something. This
Yeah.
is kind of nerdy, but whenever I think of thunder, I think of Harry Potter because he has a thunder scar above his head. Or the
I thought that was a lightning bolt.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I'm weird. Don't judge me.
All right. Well, anyway, we're probably going to record another video soon, but I hope you keep tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you hit that like button and everything, you'll probably be notified, hopefully, when we upload more. You'll probably see more covers that we react to, and his older brother will be on some of the other videos.
Yep.
Peace.
Peace.